this one is going to be a little bit of probability. It's a box contains 6 red pens and 4 blue pens. Corey randomly picks a pen from the box and keeps it. Then Todd randomly picks a pen from the box. What is the probability both boys will pick red pens?
All right, I can take that one. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a quick box. And inside, I'm going to have these pens. They're not going to look like pens. They're just going to look like little dots. All right. So we've got 6 red pens. And we do this a lot in math, right? Like, it would be a lot of work to draw like 6 red pens and 4 blue pens. But a lot of times in math, what we do is we create symbols. Maybe they're letters. Maybe they're visual symbols that represent something that we're talking about. So we've got 6 red pens and 4 blue pens. And we need 2 things to happen. So Corey's going to pick a pen from the box and keep it. And Todd is going to pick a pen from the box and also keep it. So it's really important to note that Corey is keeping the pen. And we want to see the odds of them both getting a red pen. So both of these things have to happen. So and the odds of Corey selecting a red pen, well, let's think about how many pens there are. So we need, we're going to talk about really quick, desired outcome versus possible outcomes. Or over possible outcomes. Or did you call it something else before? I mean, that works.
That works.
Okay. So the desired outcome for Corey, they both have to pick red pens, so Corey has to pick a red pen. Well, out of all these red pens, we know that 6 of them, or sorry, out of all the pens, not all the red pens, 6 out of 10 are going to be red. So if Corey pulls a pen out, there's a 6 out of 10 chance he's going to get a red pen. We could leave it like this for now. Now, once Corey selects his red pen, he's keeping it. So it's important to note that he's not putting it back in. So the odds, the desired outcome, or the possible outcomes will change a little bit. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove one of these because Corey took one. Now there are only 5 red pens. So the odds of, who is it, Todd selecting a red pen are now not going to be out of 10 because there are only 9 pens in here. So they're going to be out of 9. And there are a total of 5 red pens. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, first of all, 6 out of 10 chance that Corey selects it. In order to figure out the odds of both things happening, we're actually going to multiply them together. So times 5 out of 9. And multiplying fractions, we're just going to multiply across, so a 30 out of 90. So if Corey and Todd do this 90 times, we would expect 30 times for both of them to select a red pen. We can reduce this in a couple ways. We can say probability is 1 out of 3. So again, if we did this 3 times, theoretically, they should both pick a red pen 1 time. We can also write this as a decimal. And we could say 1 divided by 3 is 0.33. Or we could say that there is a 33% chance that they'll both pick a red pen. So, the odds of Corey selecting one are about 6 out of 10 or 60% or 3 out of 5. But the odds of both of these things happening becomes much smaller, like the more you repeat this. So hopefully that helps. You got anything to add on that?
No, that was great. I like the picture.
Yeah, I think a lot of times students hesitate to draw like a model because they're like, I got to draw these pens. You don't have to draw the pens. You can just, like the red pens can be stars, the blue pens can be squares. We do this all the time in math to make things simpler.